In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to write notes on your Apple Watch. So first of all, we have to download our Notes app. So go to your App Store on your iPhone and tap on the search app icon, Notes. Search for Notes, and as a search result, here you get these Notes for Apple Watch. Just install this free app on your iPhone. Once it's successfully installed, now press the crown to go to your app library. In app library, here you'll find the Notes app. Open the Notes app. Tap on new note. Hey, how are you? And now you can just go ahead and write your note using your voice, just like this. Tap on done to save. And this is how you can actually write note in our Apple Watch. Thanks for watching.